everybody, Jason Fairchild with Guarantee RV. Thank you so much for taking the time to check out our website. Today I'm going to take you over a 2018 Forest River Rpod 180. So we're going to start off on the interior and we'll finish off going over the exterior. Follow me. This trailer is practically brand new. It's a 2018. We have got our east-west bed up here in the front. So good size. Looks like nobody's even ever slept on this. We do have some storage down below in the center here. There's access to your water and your heat, and then there's storage also on the opposite side here. You can get that from your outside storage as well. We've got a nice little booth table here, very small, just for 2 people. The table's freestanding, so you can take that outside if you wanted to. Nice windows, a television here, your media player is above, it'll do CDs and DVDs, also AM, FM, USB, pretty much all that kind of stuff. Good storage. Yeah, it looks like this trailer wasn't even used. I don't see really any scuff marks or anything. Across from us, we've got a fridge, microwave combination, freezer above. You can find the door there it is. Little 2-burner stove with a glass cover, single sink, stainless steel, and storage above and below. So they're trying to make use of whatever space they can. Your monitor panels here, your thermostats here, and as we turn around behind you, you see the bathroom. So it is a dry bath. So the shower and the toilet are separate. We still have a sink and some storage in there. So nice little bathroom for a trailer this size. And as we exit the trailer, you can see some additional storage. This is a removable shelf, and you can use it for hanging clothes if you'd like. A couple drawers down below. Come on outside, let's go over these features real quick. We do have a manual awning, okay? So we can see that. We have storage actually in the back of this trailer and in the front of this trailer. So great. They're making use of all the room they can here. Good little place for wheel chocks, chains, maybe even your sewer hose. Just a good place to store stuff. Above that, right here, we've got a little connection here for a portable solar panel. So that's nice to have. As we move around back, we see we've got a full-size spare tire. That's great. Tags are good until 8/19. So that's some significant savings right there. Here's our power connection. The cable's in the front storage. Black tank flush for cleaning out your black tank. Your gray and black dump. On the slide is your outside hot and cold shower. Great for cleaning off your feet, washing the dog, any of those kinds of things. Here we've got our LP furnace exhaust. So these do get hot. Somebody's taken the time and actually covered them up with some insect protectors so it'll stop yellow jackets, bees from wanting to make a nest in there. It's nice to have. This is your freshwater fill here and your city water connection. Water heater. I just want to touch base on the weight real quick. So this trailer fully loaded, so GVW is 3832, so 3,800 pounds. Dry weight on this, where is it? Dry weight is just under 3,000 pounds, so you're like 2,900 pounds dry. So very, very towable by all kinds of vehicles, small SUVs, just about any truck. Little place to store your sewer hose right here, so that's nice. You can use the rest of your storage for other things. Single propane tank, electric tongue jack, battery, and there is storage on the outside here on this side as well. It does not pass all the way through, but it goes about halfway, and that's your power cord and your awning crank in there. It's cool, they already put a bubble level on it too for you. Handy to have that. So again, folks, my name is Jason Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out this video. If you have any questions on this 18 Rpod or any of our other RVs in stock, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Have a great day.